not deserve you.
Baby.
Try my love. Girl, won't you try my love?
Try my love. Try my love. Boy, won't you try my love?
I never heard.
Senama, you cry to me. Senama. Hey, what you do? Eh? Jelani? Get on our stuff.
You tell me?
I don't know. Who want no? Who want to tell me if you're telling what you feel? Don't you, Jelani? Jelani? You don't hear me on one? Eh? So that's why you don't look for me? Eh? Me figure that you is a fuck kind of little boy. He's a fucker. Me there so a bone. This man not even come look one.
But I have a camera in this one. I can't be on one side. I have a camera in this one. When I come look at that one.
Yeah, in which you never did to see the camera. You did to come in. You actually you come in before me start. That's why it feel. Brother, my prank feel, guys. Can you come in and see camera? So trying to me. You hear me a moan now and you see camera. You must see a smaddy me a moan for, but you know, see a prank. Me that try prank. Me that try the moan prank pan him. To see how he can react. Yeah, but anyways, guys, I'm done ready now, and then I come back and finish that vlog here. You know that when I was doing my vlog today, I did tell you guys that I was gonna finish the vlog. But I never get the chance to finish the vlog because I'm all up and down, all over the place. So my nails here, yeah. Should I get some gas? So my nails here, guys, I'm gonna change them today and adjusted them, like literally adjusted them. But when I go sometime, and all the time when you buy them I go. What you want? Hmm? Nobody saw Jelani.
Yeah.
Nobody buy gas.
Then gas sweet, man. That's kind of weakish.
Okay. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna do over my nails them later. I don't know, say I press on me a beat, right? Right, maybe press on. But one of them, oh, you have to got the machine them with take card coming now, come up with no money. Go back down there so. I hit everybody use. The one down there so.
Same place.
Better you go that the one.
Follow your instincts.
Follow my instincts. See what? Yeah, guys. So we just say ARIANA and go on and all these things. Where you get some gas? Huh? Okay. No.
Okay. You have to pay here.
You can't help me, but no. Polish what? Polish your nails. Is it crazy? Don't let them want to do right now for real.
Oh shit, I can't polish them for you.
Yeah, right,
Okay, put that on your spotty field.
right. So guys, I did try to do a prank on Jelani this morning, however it failed. Jelani, shut up. I try to prank Jelani, guys, but it failed because I come in the bathroom and he see the camera. When he see the camera now, when he hear me start moving and so, him say, a man me a video call. Me a video call, man. It's not no prank. So guys, basically,
that's a nah, man.
We basically just end the vlog right there, so because me not like the argument, them and them thing, so. But just end the vlog right there. So if him say a man me there with, then a man, me can't bother. Yeah, you know me really like me can't. You see, from the other day, I just stop deal with like you're negative towards me. I just stop deal with you. Stop with the argument, the bag of argument with people. Cause at the end of the day, bro, like it's not even worth it, dog. Like honestly, it's not worth it. Yeah, big man thing, real energy for free, it's not worth it.
Yeah, I think so.
So guys, I can't stop them thing. Them stop arguing people and them thing there. Jelani, pull it up yourself and do whatever you do before you come out. Or if you have old phone and I do so much something. Give me 2,000. Come here, forgot. Give me 3,000. Give me 3,090. Me no normally full the tank of gas when me go in again, because I realize that when the tank full, too much place fine to go. When the gas in I carry, because the gas in I carry, I have to stay on me. But when the tank full, too much places left to go there. But let me come back for the phone.